students, I am Neha Singh. Students, I hope you have done well in your unit test 3, and if you remember, we were doing civics chapter number 1. In that we got the knowledge about the equality, our rights, our duty, what the government has made rules and regulations. Now today we will take the second chapter, and the second chapter is about health facilities, and the name of the chapter is Role of Government in Health. So in this chapter we will know what the government does regarding the health facilities in our country. Students, do you know, in India, government has a very vital role in playing and providing the health facilities to all the citizens. The term health is a very common word, and nowadays in this pandemic situation, you must be getting the news that what government is doing, what the doctors are doing, what facilities are being provided to each and everyone. You must be going through the news. So in this chapter you will know that government and the private sector, how do they work to give treatment to each and every citizen of India. Students, before learning what government is doing regarding the health facilities in India, you should know what exactly the word health means. It does not only mean that you are healthy, you are not suffering from any disease, or you are not injured. It does not mean that only. It means that the people are healthy, a person is healthy when he is free from all the mental tension and he is living in an environment which is pollution free. In pollution, all the 3 types of pollution includes, and moreover greenery is there, he is getting good facilities, he is getting clean drinking water, that is the most important thing, he is getting good air to breathe. These all factors make a person healthy. So do not get confused that only being healthy, looking and being not injured and not on the bed in a hospital, a person is healthy. Healthy means from all these factors. He is performing well in his work, he is mentally healthy, and he is free from tension, he is living in a very good environment. All these things means a person is healthy. Now students, health in India. Now we will discuss what the government is doing for the health of the citizen of India. As you know, and you have seen that there are so many hospitals, clinics and other medical health facilities are being provided, but some are from the private sector and some are given from the government. You must have heard that there is a place that is government hospital, and when you see a building, your parents will tell, no, this is not a government one, this is a private one. What is the difference between those two? Actually, government has provided clinics, hospitals, health centers at district level, in the villages also, and the services the government provides is much cheaper than the private one. Government has made sure that every village must have a health center, there should be a nurse, a doctor, and everyone can afford to that hospital, that health center, because private one is very expensive. So a common man or a person from a village who is not earning so much will face difficulty in getting the facility, and that may lead to some dangerous result. So government has provided health centers in each village and at a very cheap rate, or sometimes it is free for some people, so that nobody gets the result of death, or somebody does not get the facility just because of money. On the other hand, there are private sectors also. We will discuss later on. So, the government has provided hospitals, health centers, and some are at district level. And those district level make sure that the health centers in the villages are working properly or not. Properly or not means that if government has provided health centers for village, they should be in a proper condition. There should be a nurse all the time. There should be doctors all the time. And they should give the services free. They should give the services at a lower rate. And they should get the basic treatment, the first aid box, all the medicines should be updated. They should not be expired. So for all this checking, the district level checks it out, and that is very important also. Otherwise, the government is providing and the actual people of the village will not get the facility, and they will have to face the consequences. So for that, district level health centers take a check out on the village one. The public health services make sure that it is for all. Nobody is getting discriminated on the basis of their caste and their income, as we have discussed earlier also, that in villages everyone should get the treatment and at a low rate. And the government has also made the right that everyone has the right of life. Like we have already discussed in our previous chapter about the rights and regulations and our duties. One is in health, and that is right of life. It means that everybody has the right to live, and the government makes sure that everybody is getting the treatment equally. They are not discriminated. The other one is the private sector. Students, the next one is the private health services. As the name suggests, private, it means there is no interference of the government. We have so many doctors in our country, and they are owning their own clinics, hospitals, health centers. They are providing those facilities, but at a high rate, because they can fix any rate according to their need. The same treatment you will get in the government one at a cheaper rate, but when you go for private hospitals, you will get the facility but at a high rate, because the doctor, the person who is owning that place, will decide the rate, and there is no interference of the government. So they are free to fix the rate for any treatment, for the facilities they are providing. This means that only the people who can afford can go and take the treatment from those hospitals and clinics. They pay a lot of money to get the treatment. And government has no role in that. And I hope you must have gone through private hospitals. You must have seen that they have the facilities and they give also very nicely, but sometimes it happens that the facility they give is okay, but they cost a lot, because that is a private one. And if you go for the government one, you will get the same facility but at a cheaper rate. So children, this is the most important point to be remembered. The difference between is that in government one, the government makes sure that it is for all and everybody can afford that, and nobody gets discriminated from that, or somebody is in need of the treatment and he is not able to reach or get the treatment. But the private one, they just, if you don't pay, you will not get the facilities. If you pay, you will get the facilities. On the other hand, in the government, sometimes it is free of cost. So children, I hope you have understood the difference between the private and the public health services. This is all about in this topic. For the further topics, we will discuss in the next chapter, next topic, next class. Till then, just go through the chapter once for the minute details, for the new words, and definitely we will discuss everything in the live classes. So do join the live classes according to the schedule. Till then, thank you.